Ever wanted sound booming from your speakers while still chatting privately through your headset? Let's untangle this audio mystery and get you set up to use both at the same time. First, right-click on the speaker icon in your system tray. You will usually find this at the bottom right corner of your screen then. Select Open Sound Settings. This will bring up your computer's audio control panel. Look for Sound Settings or Sound Control Panel, depending on your operating system. Find the Output section inside the sound setting windows to see the list of available audio devices here. You should see your headphones and your speakers listed. Select which device you want to be your default output device. Most applications will use this output. Now, you must select which application should use your other output device. Return to the speaker icon in the bottom right of your computer and right-click again. Select Volume Mixer. Here, you can select which applications use which output device. For example, you may want all system sounds to play through your speakers, but your game audio to be routed to your headset. Simply use the drop-down box on each app to select the correct output device for each application. Still struggling? Consider an external audio device like a USB sound card or an audio splitter. These gadgets give you more control and can bypass some of the operating system's quirks. And that's it. Now you can enjoy the best of both audio worlds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.